Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening a chat with BotFather inside Telegram and send /newbot to create a bot account. Follow prompts to set a name and a unique username, and then copy the bot API token string that BotFather displays for you. Decide whether the bot needs channel admin rights to post, pin, or delete messages. If so, plan to add it as an administrator in channel settings after creation. Finally, record the channel username or numeric channel ID for API calls, which might be at channel username or -1,124,567,890. Open the target channel, tap the channel name, then Settings and Administrators to add users. Search for your bot by its username and add it as an administrator so it can post messages. Confirm the bot has post messages and edit messages permissions when assigning admin rights, and remove any unnecessary permissions to limit scope. For API calls, use the channel username at channel username or the numeric ID -1,124,567,890 as chat ID. And remember that only administrators can post to private channels via the bot API. To send a message from your bot, call https://API. Telegram. org/bot token /send message with parameters chat ID set to at channel username or -1,124,567,890 and text containing your content. Include parse mode when needed. For real-time delivery use, set webhook supplying a HTTPS URL on port 443. Include an SSL certificate if required, and consider max connections equals 40 to optimize throughput. Alternatively, you can use Get Updates long polling with timeout 60 seconds to receive updates without a webhook, and implement retry and error handling for rate limits and network failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.